Webflow SEO Tutorial 2023. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope all of you are doing amazing and are having an amazing and incredible day. I bring you back with yet another video, and in this video we're going to be discussing about Webflow and how you can use this amazing software to basically boost your SEO, to boost yourself in Google's searches, and bring yourself up with all the essential stuff when it comes to Google. Now, basically, what you're going to do to get yourself started off is you're going to go to your Google or whatever search engine you have, and you're going to go into the URL. You're going to write www.websiteworldmedia.com/Webflow. Okay, you're just going to write that. Okay, it's pretty simple. Websiteworldmedia.com/Webflow. Okay, you can just go ahead and write that, or you can just go in the description and click on the link in the top of the description, enter it. And once you enter it, you're going to be redirected straight into the main website for SEO that you're going to want to go to. So obviously, here you are. So Webflow. Build with power of code without writing any. How cool is that? Great catchphrase, and as you can see, it has a great user interface where you can check the different features that it provides you. You can check the different, items that it poses you, and all different things that you can see for yourself. The user interface is great, and you can see all these different websites that were made in Webflow. Like, they look so artistic, so fun to create, and pretty good stuff. So what we're gonna do to start ourselves off is, first of all, go ahead and discuss the pricing. Okay, now obviously we're gonna be doing SEO. Now SEO could be for both a general website or for e-commerce, but mainly it's for e-commerce, so let's go ahead and discuss that. So when it comes to e-commerce, basically, first of all, you have the standard plan. Like, the only downside with this is that it has a free plan for a general website, but for an e-commerce website, it doesn't even have a free trial. So yeah, for the standard, it's $42 per month, okay? But for this, you can get 500 e-commerce items, 2,000 CMS items, 2% transaction fee, all CMS plan features. And you have Plus plan for $84, Advanced for $235, and so on. And obviously over here, you have the starter plan, which is for free, the basic, which is for $14, CMS, which is $23, business, which is $39, and so on. So obviously, I'm going to go ahead with the free plan, click on Start for Free. Obviously, it's going to bring you to the whole sign up process. But obviously, to check the SEO, you're also going to go to the product section. In Optimize for Growth, here it's going to tell you SEO. Fine-tuned control without engineers. Now, if you don't know what SEO is, basically, loosely telling, SEO is search engine optimization, which is the capability of your page or, product or something like that to appear on top more, like how likely it is to appear on top of the Google searches. So that's basically what it is. Like, let's say I'm going to go here and I'm going to write Nike Air Force One. Okay, these are nice shoes. So let's go ahead and see. As you can see, this appears on the top. Now, that's Nike's store. That's natural, okay? But what appears under it? As you can see, these websites appear under it, like Foot Locker, StockX, OLX, Shoppers. So as you can see, these websites start appearing. Now, why did these websites start appearing? It's because of their SEO. This website's SEO is probably really good and strong. That's why it appeared over here. So as you can see, that's what SEO is, and that's how important the power of SEO really is. And as you can see in depth down here, you can see all the power you need without plugins. Webflow gives you fine level control over SEO markup, indexing rules, redirects, and more. Push any changes live without relying on engineers. Add and edit schema markup. Add schema markup so your content can be easily understood and represented in search engines. So this is basically, the code section, and it's pretty easy to, add these. So all you're going to do is you're going to make sure to copy this code. And once you copy this code and everything, what you're going to do from there is you're going to go to the editing schema of your website, edit your HTML code for your website. It's pretty simple and easy to do that. Okay. So once you're over there, you're going to make sure to, click on the editing manual. And once you do that, just go ahead and embed this code into the section. And you have obviously the meta titles and meta descriptions where you can automatically define meta titles and descriptions using fields in your CMS collections. You also have different editor SEO markups for yourself that you can go ahead and check out. Pretty simple stuff. You have indexing and sitemap controls, easily edit and update page titles and descriptions, and publish changes in a single click for yourself. As you can see, you have project settings for your SEO. You have different sitemaps where you can auto-generate sitemap, automatically update sitemap.xml when project is published. Now, obviously, moving on, you have more things down here like robust 301 redirects management. You can migrate and update your site's URLs without fear by quickly creating and publishing 301 redirect. Manage all 301 redirects without engineering help or anything like that. And as you can see over here, you have your old path, you have redirect paths for yourself. Pretty simple stuff, isn't it? You have simple image alt tag editing. Make sure your image metadata is indexed by Google and ensure your images are screen reader accessible. You can, set all attributes for yourself, different image settings for yourself, and, different, you have aspect ratios, different widths, heights, pretty simple. And also in the enterprise plan, you have different case studies that you can read. High performance hosting as well. Webflow is globally distributed. AWS powered hosting stack keeps your site running smoothly, which makes your site visitors and search engines very happy. And as you can see, the speed, which is 100 plus data centers worldwide, means your site loads fast for every visitor that you get. You also have great scalability. Webflow's infinitely scalable server fleet is ready to meet whatever traffic you throw at it. You have great security, built-in SSL, which is security socket layer for all sites, and no need to manage or update risk-prone plugins. It has a clean semantic code with, divs and stuff, which you can add in your HTML. Webflow websites are powered by clean semantic code that search engine indexing bots can easily parse. Because Webflow's visual development tools are rooted directly in HTML and CSS, the end result is clean semantic markup that makes developers and search engines really happy. Then you have powerful content marketing tools where, Webflow's flexible content management tools allow you to build out whatever content types your site needs, plus a user-friendly interface for content teams to add and edit new content for yourself. And obviously, further on, more flexible CMSs. Create whatever content types your site needs with a flexible visual CMS, custom fields without plugins, design content-driven layouts, visually import content via CSV, and much more. And then you have more simple editing tools. Empower content teams to easily independently produce at a scale with the editor, adding new content as easy as filling out a proper form. Publish in a click or schedule content releases, edit SEO and open graph tags, and, much more general stuff to get around with. And, you can just get started for free right now if you want to. Pretty simple stuff. In this case, obviously, for the optimizing your website with SEO, you're going to have to contact sales, okay? Now, the reason you have to contact sales is the SEO setting is obviously going to be presented in the enterprise plan. You don't get that in the normal free plan. So do make sure to go with the main setting of the SEO when it comes to, messing around with like the different rankings of SEO for your website. But yeah, in general, that's mainly about it when it comes to discussing SEOs and Webflow's SEOs in more context. But yeah, that's essentially about it. So if I were to go over all the steps again, what you're going to want to do is, first of all, again, as I state, you're going to go to this URL. Go in your new tab, write www.websiteworldmedia.com/webflow. Pretty simple, right? Just go and enter this, okay? Websiteworldmedia.com/webflow, or just go into your description and click on the link in the top. And once you do that, just click on that. And from there on out, do all your signing in and stuff. Pretty simple. Obviously, make sure to check the pricing and see whatever pricing's best for you. Read all these details out, check the embedded codes that you can use, do the schemas and markups. And once you've done with that, yeah, you're going to be good to go. You're going to be stacked. So yeah, that's basically about it for this video. Now, if you enjoyed and found it informational, please do drop down a like and subscribe to the channel because it helps me out a lot. Share this video around with people or anyone who would more likely want to use a video like this. And also, do let me know if you want to see more videos like this and if you have any issues with this video. But yeah, that's essentially about it. Thank you for watching this video till the end. That's all from me, and I will be seeing all of you next time. Goodbye.